Hair transplants was really never a thing that I thought possible, especially not in South Africa. And that's really where I came across the Hairfront. Honestly, it was the best decision I've ever made to come here and have my hair done. From the beginning to the end, the process was extremely professional and really absolutely amazing. I just was really touched by the warmth of the staff, which really made me feel very at home. And that was one of the reasons why I chose the Hairfront as opposed to an international option. I wanted to work with South Africans. I wanted to work with medical professionals that I know are extremely well skilled and trained here in South Africa. And for me, that was actually one of the most important things in choosing a provider for the service, was knowing that a medical doctor would be operating on me. A hair transplant procedure, in my mind, before knowing, it was a huge thing. There was absolutely nothing to be stressed about. It's the most relaxing experience of which you feel absolutely no pain at all. My healing was exceptional. 3 days after my procedure, I went and visited my personal doctor, and he could not believe the healing that had taken place in 3 days, which I really believe is testament to the quality of the work performed by the Hairfront. The hair transplant has really changed my life and really boosted my self-confidence. I had lost an extreme amount of hair. I had patches of hair missing, specifically here right in the front of my forehead. That was one of the things that was the most important for me, was to have a natural looking hairline that no one can tell that you had a hair transplant. And post-surgery, when I've mentioned to friends or family that, oh, I had a hair transplant, they literally cannot believe it, because there is no telltale sign. My results are extremely natural looking, for which I'm really grateful for.